Assalamu alaikum. Today video I will tell you how I convert this image something like this one. So without any software, without any third-party application, I did this with the website, and this website is an official website, Adobe official website. Today video is very interesting. I show you how I convert my image into a full form or a full-fledged image without a Photoshop beta version or without installing any subscription-based software or purchasing some trial version or subscription. This is the official website called Adobe Firefly, and this is the beta version website. You can easily add your image and make your image with a generative fill feature. And for that, you only need a Google account. Simply log into your Google account and directly go to the dashboard, and which shows these 6 options. 2 is in the processing or construction interface, and these 4 options are available. In this video we discuss this option called generative fill, and this is totally free and you can easily use this option and generate your image just like this one. Okay, first of all I open my image which is in a vertical format, and this is the image I convert into a horizontal full-fledged image. First I just add a white space on the right and left side of my image by increasing the artboard size in Photoshop, so this can easily add the area or white space into my image. I simply unlock my image and drag it onto the center. Okay, this is the center, and I simply take the paint bucket tool and fill with white color and again fill with white color. This is my image. I place on the center and again using bucket tool I fill with a white color. Okay, now I simply go to the file, go to export and save for web, and the size remains same, and I save this image into a JPG format, and then the magic start. Okay, I save this image on my desktop. This is the saving image, and next part is go to the website and click the upload button, and you can see the image is already saved. I just upload my image, and this is the interesting part of the video. These are the 5 buttons available: add, subtract, setting, background or invert. You can change the setting of the brush, or you can add or subtract. If I simply click this one using add button, this will automatically select this area where you can add the background. I simply select again simply using the add button, and I selected the white area and the some part of my image as well. So this generative I easily work on it and make my image fully completed using the AI tool. But don't worry, if you subtract more area from your image, select your subtract tool and again it is like this, and this will automatically retrieve your image. And again I simply clean some background and I add a command called add background and simply hit generative AI. Let's see, 1 2 3, boom. Now you can see that this website give me 3 best options with my image, so I can select one of my image. You can see that this is the normal image, and this is again some background is not looks good, and this image looks pretty good as compared to simple one. You can generate more presets or more images by simply clicking on more button and wait for some time, and this will generate again 3 image. You can generate infinite times using the more button option. Now this seems interesting. This done a pretty good job with this image. You can see that almost this background is look fine, and my right side, or sorry, my left side of image is almost created by this website and look fine. I can keep this, or I can also download the image if I want to download. I simply click download and the image is automatically downloaded onto my computer screen or onto my computer. So today video is end. I hope this video help a lot. You can generate multiple image or infinite image using the Adobe Firefly with its beta version generative.ai. In the next video we'll discuss another topic with another solution. Till then, Allah Hafiz.